strike.
Okay, I start for making the bread very soft, but we didn't use any butter, any milk, or any additional ingredients like egg. I didn't use it, so this is only simple ingredients: sugar, dry yeast, soft turner for bread, and then improver, and warm water with the honey, 1 spoon honey, and then I will give it a 2 or 3 cooking oil. Simple. And then I have the water rocks. I already made it here, so we will mix together. I will use between 500 until 600 gram bread flour. Mixing 5 minutes like this. And then little bit. Add the water roll, I will add cooking oil. I'll give them 2 spoons first. I put 1 spoon more the cooking oil. I give the box with the oil so the dough become a little bit greasy. Look very beautiful. This time I will keep it 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough is raised up like double size. resting for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, and I brush them with yolk and milk. Also, I give the sesame seed. So now I will bake them. I'm baking the bread for 200 degrees for 20 minutes. This is the result after we bake for 20 minutes. If you can see, very shiny because I just finished brushing them with the butter. You can use margarine, butter, or milk, but I prefer using the butter. Very beautiful. Maybe I can move from here. So this is the bread without egg, without margarine or butter, without milk as well. So you do not worry if in your cupboard don't have that 3 ingredients, you still can make it the bread. I tried to show you. This is still hot, but I would like to show you. This is the inside. See, still the smoke, and then this is the cheese. Very nice texture.